What a beautiful robin. And so friendly too, not afraid of me. Yeah, he's just getting so close to me. Look at that beautiful robin. I think it's robin, I'm not sure. If anybody out there who's like bird expert and know this bird, the name of the bird, please share with us in the comment below my video. Because there's a lot of bird lover out there. So yeah, if you any of you out there are bird expert, please share your comment and tell us what's the name of this bird, okay? Look at the tulip in the background. Wow, that is so beautiful, right? Wow, this is a different bird than the one that I videoed earlier. Oh, come on. Don't go out on the street now. You are wandering off too far now. I like it. I don't like it. There's a lot of traffic out there, rush hour. No, you don't want to cross the street, birdie. You are very close to the street. Ooh, what? I mean, you are practically a few steps up the street. Yeah, this bird out here, while out here taking a photo of the flowers in my garden, it keep following me. This bird keep following me around. Every time I turn around, he or she's there. It's so cute and it's so cool. You are adorable. You are so free and happy. As long as you don't get, caught by a predator out there. Yeah. You'll be just fine. Yep, this bird live a very nice, peaceful life, everyone. He or she sure is. He or she sure live a nice life among nature. If you think about it, they don't need much. Animals don't need much, just find food to eat every day. As long as they can find something to eat every day, like human being, they don't have to worry about mortgage payment, have to get up, go to work every day, and stay in the office 8 hours a day, and only have 2-day weekend to enjoy, like human being. For them, they just sleep in the backyard or in the street or the river, the lake, the park. Nope, don't have to worry about nothing. No credit card payment, no credit card debt. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. Oh yeah, no car payment, no insurance payment, no property tax, no federal, state tax. I mean, the list just go on and on, right, everyone? And that is the difference between the world of animal versus the world of human being. Bye, birdie. Have a good life, okay? I hope to see you again in the near future. Bye. Stay safe. Be strong, healthy, and happy. Bye-bye. Yep, before I end the video, I just want to show everyone this beautiful two color, red and orange tulips, right in front of my yard of garden right in front of my yard. Yep. Aren't they lovely though? Oh. And they're coming back every year. That's the great thing about tulip and most of other flowers like cherry blossom and yeah, just to name a few. They all coming back every spring. Every springtime, they all coming back. That's the beauty of it. And last but not least, just want to show you guys this white cluster of cherry blossom, everyone. This beautiful cluster of cherry blossom. Yep. Right in front of my place. Yep, right in front of my place. Look at them, they are gorgeous, aren't they? I mean, absolutely gorgeous. Again, Virginia earned the name Virginia is for lover because of all these beautiful trees and woods and rivers and parks and lakes. Yeah, Virginia have a lot of tree, and I mean a lot of tree. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, have a wonderful, relaxing evening. Till next time, God bless and Buddha bless. Bye bye. Just want to show real quick, everyone, real quick, the neighborhoods. Yep. Beautiful, my beautiful neighborhood. Right here in Northern Virginia. Hey, he's back. Look at that. He or she's back. Isn't that something? See if I could get a snapshot, a close snapshot of the bird. Oh, wow. Beautiful, everyone. Oh, hi. See you again. Welcome back. Hello. You're not afraid of me at all, do you? No, you're not. Oh, where did it go? Oh, it's the most adorable bird I ever seen. Oh, it's found a worm. He found a worm. That's his dinner. Or her dinner. I keep coming back to that tulip flower, everyone. I keep coming back to the tulip flower. Isn't that something? What a nice surprise. Really is. What a nice surprise. Maybe I should come up with a name for you, birdie. I don't know what I should name the bird. Do you have any suggestion? Please send your comment. What do you think I should name this bird, this adorable bird, everyone? Yep. That's it. That's it for today. Till next time. Have a great, great evening, everyone. As you can see the puddle of rainwater over there, which is good for the bird. He or she can drink from that puddle of rainwater. So it go to no waste. Bye bye, honey. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye-bye. It's the closest I can get. Bye-bye, sweetheart. You are beautiful. You know that? Yes, you are. Absolutely beautiful. Ciao. This is for bird lover everywhere around the world. That's right. Enjoy. Bye-bye. He's not even afraid of me. Not even... Well, according to the Asian culture, we believe that if your house surrounded by birds, it doesn't matter what kind, that means the house is blessed with peace, love, and harmony. Yep, according to the Asian belief for many centuries. So next time you see some bird around your house, buy a bird feeder and hang it out there in your yard. I guarantee you're gonna have hundreds of birds visiting every day, everyone. Right. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I guess my place is blessed with peace, love, and harmony. Good to know. Good to know. Hope you come back, birdie. Bye-bye.